Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing. This one's for the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0s. Now before I begin with this unboxing, can you please go ahead and subscribe to my channel? I can see a lot of you guys are watching my videos but aren't yet subscribed, so please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and support your boy. Now with this release, it was released on Thursday the 16th of April at midnight through footlocker.com.au. I did actually try and grab my pair earlier that day through Culture Kings, but they sold out within seconds. But I managed to grab my pair through Foot Locker. Now, with the release itself, like I said, the release time was midnight. However, I ended up having to stay up till about 2 AM until I could actually secure my pair. So I was on my phone, frantically trying to, add them to cart, and in the end, I managed to luck out and grab my pair. So pretty happy about that. But yeah, enough about all that. Let's get into the unboxing. I haven't actually seen these yet, so I'm very, very excited. So let's get into it. So there you have it, guys. You've got the Nike Air Jordan 1 OG box. Let's have a look at the shoes. Yeah, these are nice. There's one. There's the second one. So there you have it, guys. The Air Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0s. Very clean colorway in my opinion. Let's get into the review and I'll talk you through certain aspects of the actual shoe itself. The upper consists of white and purple leather panels. The toe box and mid panel are done in a white leather, whilst the purple leather wraps around the toe box, ankle and heel area. The classic Nike swoosh is done in a black leather, and the overall color blocking for this shoe is the same as the OG Chicago Jordan 1 colorway. The medial side of the shoe is much like the lateral side and features the same details. The tag on the tongue of this Jordan 1 is something Jordan Brand has never done before. It features a black rubber tag embossed with the Nike Air logo in purple. The rubber type material used for the tag gives off a shiny rubbery look, and personally I don't mind the look of this tag and think it sets it apart from other Jordan 1s. The heel of the shoe consists of your standard OG Jordan 1 heel with no branding and consists of the purple leather. The laces are your standard flat black laces, and the shoe comes unlaced, which is something Jordan Brand started redoing back around 2015 to 2016. This pays homage to the way Jordan 1s were presented back in 1985 and mimics the original presentation. The Jordan 1 Court Purples also came with an extra set of purple tie-dyed laces, which I'm not a big fan of. Personally, I think I'm going to actually swap the black laces out for flat white laces, as I think it will make the shoe pop more. The insole is black and features a Nike Air logo printed in purple. Last but not least, the outsole is your standard Jordan 1 outsole done in purple with a Nike Air logo in the middle. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up the review for today. It was a quick review and unboxing on the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0s. If you liked the video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing an on-feet and styling video for this particular shoe in the coming days, and I'd hate for you guys to miss out on it, so make sure you hit the post notification bell as well. But yeah, on that note guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Stay safe and I'll see you guys in the next one.